In this video, I'm going to show you how you can export frame from your video clip on Shotcut. So if you want to take a particular shot and present it as an image on your Shotcut, first what you need to do is to go and identify the location where you want to take the frame. For instance, I want to take it here. Make sure your cursor is there. And from here, go ahead and look for the option called File. Then from here, look for this option called Export. And under this, you can see we have frame. So you can also achieve this by just pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus E. And if I go ahead and tap on it, now I can go ahead and choose where I want to save this frame. So I'll go ahead and save it as Shotcut frame like that. Let me change also the location and this to be under downloads. And here we go. Let it to be under downloads and then go save it. And that will go ahead and save it under the folder that I've just selected. So let me go under downloads and see if we have our frame. Here is our Shotcut frame. So if I go ahead and click on it, now you can see it was perfectly taken. And from here, if you want to add it into your timeline or into your project, you can just go ahead and drop it here. And now you can also add it to be part of your project. And here we go. There it is. So that's how you export a frame in Shotcut. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching and let's meet in the next video.